In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your PS4 is crashing either on the home menu or while playing a game without taking it apart initially. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings, and once you're in settings, you want to scroll down and look for System Software Update. You want to ensure your PS4 is running the latest version of system software, and if not, be sure to download that and install it. Now, if you're having issues with a specific game, what I'd first recommend you do is simply just close out the game and boot it up again to see if it was just a one off or if it's a repeated issue. Now, what you want to do is press Start on your game and go to Check for an update and make sure it's running the latest version as well. Now, if you're still experiencing problems at this point, press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller. And then what you want to do is go to Power and you want to turn off your console fully and unplug the power cable from the back for 30 to 60 seconds and plug it back in and boot up your console and see if you're experiencing crashing. That was a power cycle and cleared the cache on it, so hopefully that'll fix it. If that didn't work, turn off the PS4 completely and then you want to press and hold the power button until you hear two beeps. This is going to boot up the PS4 into safe mode. Then you're going to have to connect the USB to your controller and to your PS4 and press the PlayStation button so you can see all the safe mode options. Then what you want to do is select Rebuild Database and follow the instructions. Now, if you're still experiencing crashes at this point, what you want to do is go on your PS4 and go to Settings, and then you want to scroll down and look for Initialization at the bottom. Then what you'll want to do is initialize your PS4, which is going to wipe everything off the console, all of your accounts, games, etc., so it's like brand new. And if that doesn't work either, it's likely a problem with the actual hardware, in which case you'd have to get it repaired. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.